Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. This is Eric here. I got another unboxing video for you. This time it's going to be an American Express Platinum card. So I was looking for a lot of different kinds of credit cards, travel cards that'll benefit me because I've been traveling a lot more lately. And after much research and kind of debating and comparing them, I found that the American Express one was going to be the most beneficial to me personally. So here I have it. Here I ordered it. I'd applied online. I got approved like in 30 seconds, and then I got this 2 days later. It was shipped UPS, and they overnighted it to me. So as I unbox this video, I'll go over some of the benefits and the reason why I chose this card. Alright, cool. So I'm going to start opening it now. So with this card, it comes with a lot of benefits. So one of my favorite ones is you get $200 in Uber credits yearly. So you get like about 15 every month, and then you get 15 every month, and then $20 in December. Also, this also gets you get $200 in airline credits for an airline of your choice. So it will waive the baggage fees and all those kinds of things. Also, for the first three months, if you spend $5,000 or more, they'll ooh, a box. It comes in a box on my credit card. So if you spend $5,000 or more within 3 months, they'll give you a bonus 60,000 points. So which is really cool. Also, another benefit with this one is that they let me check my notes again. It also comes. You get to choose with. You get to choose global entry or TSA pre-check. So that comes included. You don't have to pay for that. So it makes it so you can go through the line faster. Essentially, you don't have to wait. So you just get to your destination quicker. Another thing about, since it is a travel card, you have access to all the Centurion lounges, which are these really high-end lounges in airport where you can hang out in and everything like that. You also have access to the Delta ones if you're flying Delta, and many other. So you get access to a lot of lounges on there, which is awesome. So if you need to relax and stuff while you're traveling, ooh, wow. Box is kind of heavy too. You see my name in the front. Wow. Okay, you guys, here it is. Check it out how it comes in. Whoa. Welcome to the Platinum card. Yes. Awesome. Wow, this is really, really nice. It comes in a wooden box. Talk about elegance, right? Let's see what else is in the box. Welcome to... it's a welcome package. We won't look at this. It looks like a lot of fine print and stuff like that. Never mind. Yeah, I don't know. We don't need to see this stuff. All right. Well, quickly, I'll just go over the other stuff. I took notes, so yeah. Let's see. I mentioned the lounges. Oh, they also give you $100 yearly credit to Saks Fifth. I guess it's a clothing store. I don't shop there, but they give you a yearly credit for that. This one's cool. You're automatically enrolled into the Hilton's Honors Gold program, as well as with the Marriott. So basically, if you go rent a room, you'll get like your 5th night free, automatic upgrades, stuff like that. Another one that I like is car rentals. If you rent your car, if you're doing a car rental, it'll cover the insurance for the vehicle also, if any damages like that. Let's see. Oh, it gives you free roadside assistance 4 times a year. Free roadside assistance. Let's see. It extends the warranty. Okay, yeah, so this is the part. If you buy something that has a warranty of 5 years or less, they automatically extend the warranty for you at no additional cost, so you're covered, which is really cool. Yeah. So this card has a lot of benefits. It's really nice. It's made out of metal. It's really thick, so you can't break it. They have a concierge service, so if you need like help with anything or booking tickets that are hard to get, you can call them, and it's really good. So the only downside of this is the yearly cost of the card. So this is going to be one of the most premium travel cards you could get, and it comes with the yearly fee of $550. So that's probably the only thing. But if you notice, with all the stuff it comes with, the 200 Uber, the airline credits, the lounges, which usually cost like what, like 250 to get in. Like the benefits outweigh the cost. Cool. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. All right, bye.